Hello, I'm Juliana Maurach, and today I'm going to talk about this beautiful, completely renovated penthouse in Calle del Country. This penthouse consists of one large master bedroom that has a beautiful balcony that overlooks the country club, two bedrooms that share one bathroom, a nice TV area, and then the beautiful open concept and free-flowing social areas on the bottom floor. The highlights of this condominium is its architecture. It stands out. Also, it's a very small condominium, so you have very few neighbors. It has very beautiful amenities. Some of them are a beautiful tennis court surrounded by green and mature trees, and a small pool with a beautiful small clubhouse. It's also a beautiful place if you're interested in walking everywhere. It's very walkable to restaurants, to the country club, to the golf course of the country club, and also in the future there's going to be expansions of Avenida Escazú, which will pretty much go very close to here, and you have very close access to Avenida Escazú. This penthouse is for sale, and if you want more information, click on the link below.